daily life. Daily life. These parents and relatives, they pour the ideas and all these things. Whenever we want with a pure heart and soul, then society creates and engage the so many things. So every day we are grown up, every second we are lose our lifespan. That is the thing. This is the candle wax things and this is the bronze.
It's the same material which is being used for the Statue of Liberty.
Same material.
Very, very beautiful inspiration behind it. Congratulations. Do you work this